there seems to be a bit of a dislocation between what we're seeing in a lot of forecasters' balances and what we're seeing in the physical window. For example, Citi have recently revised down their oil demand forecast for 2025 to 400 kbd, and Goldman have done a similar cut to 300 kbd. So that's really quite bearish.
We were saying, I think OPEC themselves were saying we're going to get a 1 million barrels per day increase in demand, which would justify the increase in supply that's going on, roughly about the same thing. And that was their justification to say markets are in balance. So the point is if you don't get that 1 million barrels per day increase in global demand, it's pretty damn bearish. So for them to be correcting to 400,000 barrels a day, that's quite a big swing, right? It's like a cargo a day overbalanced, which is quite a lot of cargoes. That's the general point, right?
Yeah, exactly. And a lot of this is driven really by demand destruction associated with tariffs. And I think tariffs will have some detrimental impact on the demand outlook. But will we see this destruction? I think it's unlikely. In our global balance, we still have demand. It's about growing at about 1 million barrels per day.